In this video, I will be show how to be use SnackBar in Flutter. Let's start the code. In home page visit, there is a two text field. Enter your name, enter your message, and the send to next screen button. When I am click on that, it will navigate to the second screen without any permission. So I will put the validation on that button and show the snack bar to enter your name and enter your message. I will share this code on Bitbucket and share the link on the video description box. In this example, to save the text field value, we have to use the text edit controller and put this controller on text field properties controller. Now let's put the validation on this text field. Name text edit controller. Trim. And message text edit controller. Text is empty. Else if both the text field is not empty, then it will navigate to the second screen. If one of them is empty, then show the snack bar. Let's first create the snack bar. This is a property content. It will take the text visit. Put the message. Enter. Name. Selects. Description. Please enter. Because this text field is a static value, then we have to put the const. Okay, to show this snack bar, we have to be use the scroll fold messenger. Scroll fold messenger dot of context dot show snack bar and pass the snack bar visit here. You can write this code in line 2. If you do not want to create snack bar separately, then you can cut from here and paste it here. Let's run this code on iOS simulator. Is a hot rod. Enter name description. Enter name description. Snack bar show is in the bottom of this screen. If both of text field has value, then it will be navigate to the second screen. If you want to cancel the existing snack bar, then you have to be called the dot remove current snack bar. Remove current snack bar is return the void. So we have not use the cascading method. So we have to put double dot for cascade method calling. Let's run again on iOS simulator. You can see that when I multiple time hit on the send to the next screen, it first cancel the existing snack bar and present new snack bar. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.